I don't know if you can see it out there, but it is snowing in Texas. Yes, and the wind is blowing about, on average about 20 to 30 out of the north, but it's gusting up to 40 to 45, and it's cold. The temperature is about right at 32, freezing, and the reason this is so bizarre is because yesterday the high was 74 degrees. Yes, it was 74 degrees yesterday, and today it's 32 and snowing. And that's what we just call Texas weather. You see it coming against the windshield there? Coors Light sucks. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. It's like a blizzard. Look at Hello again. I am at my mother's house today. Came here for a little get-together, and that's her talking in the background on top of the TV. I'm in West Fort Worth. I'm about right there. Right here is where I'm at. It is insane. I've never seen anything like this. I'm serious, and I mean, I've seen snow before here, but nothing like this. Is like blizzard-like. Thick, windy, heavy. I know people in the north are used to it, but I mean, this is crazy here. I'm telling you, it is so cold out here and so windy. And it's still snowing. Just Whew, it is cold. I can't stand out here and video this. I'll just go around here real quick. I'm going back inside. It's too cold out here. And the wind calmed down for just a second. There's too much snow. It's so windy it blew into the hallway. I think it stopped finally. Now it's just frozen over. It has stopped snowing. And as you can hear from me walking on it, it's just freezing over now. But that wind is still blowing and it is cold. It's freaking cold. And I'm going to have a hell of a time driving home. 'Cause I still got to drive home tonight and get up and drive work in the morning.